A hookah, IPA, also see other names, or shisha, is a single or multi-stemmed instrument for heating or vaporizing and then smoking either tobacco, flavored tobacco, or sometimes cannabis, hashish, and in the past opium. The smoke is passed through a water basin, often glass-based, before inhalation. The health risks of smoking through a hookah include exposure to toxic chemicals that are not filtered out by the water and risk of infectious disease when hookahs are shared. There are two theories regarding the origin of the hookah. The first is that following the introduction of tobacco to medieval India by the Jesuits, and since then tobacco use became widespread, the hookah or water pipe was invented by Abu al-Fath Gilani, a Persian physician of Akbar, in the Indian city of Fatehpur Sikri during Mughal India. The hookah spread from the Indian subcontinent to Persia first, where the mechanism was modified to its current shape, and then to the Near East alternatively. It could have originated in the Safavid dynasty of Persia, from where it eventually spread to the Indian subcontinent. Despite tobacco and drug use being considered a taboo when the hookah was first conceived, its use became increasingly popular among nobility and subsequently widely accepted. Gradually, burnt tobacco has been commonly replaced by vaporizing flavored shisha. Still, the original hookah is often used in rural South Asia, which continues to use tumbak and smoked by burning it directly with charcoal. While this method delivers a much higher content of tobacco and nicotine, it also imposes more adverse health effects compared to vaporized shisha hookahs. The word hookah is a derivative of hakka, a Hindustani word, of Arabic origin. Outside its native region, hookah smoking has gained popularity throughout the world, especially among younger people. In the Indian subcontinent, the Hindustani word hakka is used and is the origin of the English word hookah. The widespread use of the Indian word hookah in the English language is a result of the colonization in British India, when large numbers of expatriate Britons first sampled the water pipe. William Hickey, shortly after arriving in Calcutta, India, in 1775, wrote in his memoirs, Arabic, Romanized, Ajila, is the name most commonly used in Lebanon, Syria, Palestine, Jordan, Azerbaijan, Uzbekistan, Kuwait and Iraq, while nargila, meaning coconut, suggesting that early hookahs were hewn from coconut shells. In Persian, it is known as kalyan. In Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, North Macedonia, Greece, Turkey and Bulgaria, Nagil refers to meaning glass bottle in Persian. The pipes there often have one or two mouthpieces. The flavored tobacco, created by marinating cuts of tobacco in a multitude of flavored molasses, is placed above the water and covered by pierced foil with hot coals placed on top. And the smoke is drawn through cold water to cool and filter it. In Albania, the hookah is called lula or lulava. In Romania, it is called narghalia. Nargile is the common word in Spain used to refer to the pipe, although kachimba is also used, along with shisha, by Moroccan immigrants in Spain. The word nargile is used in Portuguese. Quote, nargile is also used in French, along with chicha, Arabic, Romanized, cis, from the Turkish word sis meaning glass bottle, is the common term for the hookah in Egypt, Sudan and countries of the former Ottoman Empire such as Arab Peninsula, Algeria, Tunisia. It is used also in Morocco and Somalia. In Yemen, the term Arabic, Romanized, mad is also used, but for pipes using pure tobacco. In Persia, hookah is called kalyan. Persian kalyan is included in the earliest European compendium on tobacco, the Tabacologia, written by Johann Neander and published in Dutch in 1622. It seems that over time water pipes acquired a Persian connotation, as in 18th century Egypt. The most fashionable pipes were called Karim Khan after the Persian ruler of the day. This is also the name used in Ukraine, Russia and Belarus. In Uzbekistan and Afghanistan, a hookah is called chilam. In Kashmir, hookah is called jajir. In Maldives, hookah is called guduguda. In Germany, Austria and Switzerland, hookah is called shisha. In the Philippines, hookah is called hidbu and normally used in smoking flavored marijuana. The hookah pipe is also known as the marar pipe in the UK, especially in the northeast, where it is used for recreational purposes. In Sindhi, another language of South Asia, it is called hak ko. In Vietnam, hookah is called hookah shisha and shisha is called shisha tobacco. In the Indian city of Fatehpur Sikri, Roman Catholic missionaries of the Society of Jesus arriving from the southern part of the country introduced tobacco to the Mughal Emperor Akbar the Great. Louis Rousselet writes that the physician of Akbar, Hakim Abol Futte Ghilani, then invented the hookah in